Okay, so I just got the power supply for this 100-watt LED, and I'm going to hook it up to my battery over here. Ignore the mess on my dining room table that I use as a workbench. I can do that because my wife died. So plug that baby in, and there we go. That LED is running. I got the fan on there cooling it. Now let's take a look at what we're drawing here. So if we look at the ammeter, we're pulling about 4.5 amps and 11.2 or 11.3 volts. So very nice. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about how I have this hooked up. I got a power supply here I picked up on eBay. That's converting the 12 volts into the 34 needed to run the LED. I got a stand here I made out of a piece of plastic Tupperware that I cut some holes in the bottom of so I can blow the air up through an old CPU heatsink I've got. I have to drill and tap that to put the LED in. Now on the top of it I put the 100-watt LED. And I have it hooked up there with some alligator clips right now. So it's actually a pretty simple circuit. I haven't even wired a switch in. I'm just pulling and the plug and putting it back in when I want to. I'm thinking that maybe I want to hook a Joule Thief circuit in here. I tried running the system off of this battery. Draws way too much juice. So here's my 100-watt LED that we were just looking at, and I don't see anything on here that tells me that this is 100 watts. And I looked at the back, there's nothing stamped on it. Now anybody who watched this video knows that 4.5 amps and 11.2 volts is about 50 watts. So either I have some kind of bottleneck or this is a 50-watt LED. So I'll have to look into that with the guy I bought it off of on eBay. I wouldn't be surprised if they sent me a 50-watt LED. Still, it gives me something fun to experiment with. So there's my 100-watt LED $10 flashlight